Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix App Store not working or blank. You just heard about a cool new app and you are ready to try it out, but when you open the App Store to download it, the screen is either blank or stuck loading. You are sure it's a hardware issue because all of your other apps are working perfectly. So it has to be something else. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is close and reopen the App Store. Sometimes small glitches with the App Store can prevent it from connecting to the internet, and when that happens it won't load at all. The first thing is to try to close the App Store app and open it again. To close the App Store, double click on the home button on your iPhone to open the app switcher. If your iPhone doesn't have a home button, swipe it from the very bottom to the center of the screen. Hold your finger in the center of the screen until the app switcher opens. You can swipe up back and forth to see all the apps that are open on your phone. When you find the App Store, use your finger to swipe it off the top of the screen. It's not a bad idea to close all the apps, and you are done. And the next step is clear the App Store cache. Not many people know how to do it. For this, open the App Store. Next, tap 10 times on any tab icon on the bottom of the App Store screen. For instance, you can tap 10 times of the tourist tab to clear the cache. The app won't reload, so close the app and reopen the app afterwards, and you are done. And the next step is check your date and time settings. For this, open settings. Scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down. Here you can see the option of date and time. Tap on it. Here tap on set automatically toggle button to turn it on, and you are done. And the next step is check your internet connection. Next I'm going to tell you how to test your iPhone's internet connection. It's easy to test your iPhone's connection to the internet. First open the settings app and then tap on Wi-Fi. You will see a switch next to Wi-Fi on the top of the screen. If the switch is green, then your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi networks wherever possible. If the switch is grey, your iPhone is never connected to Wi-Fi and only connected to the internet using cellular data through your cell phone plans, and you are done. And the next step is turn your iPhone off and back on. To do this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button, and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. For this, open settings. Scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS, and you are done. And the next step is sign out of the App Store and back in. You may be wondering how you can sign out of the App Store without being able to get into the App Store, but it's easy. For this, open the settings app and then tap on your name at the top. Scroll down and then tap on sign out. Now that you are signed out, it's time to sign back in. Tap the sign in button and enter your Apple ID password, and you are done. And the next step is forget your Wi-Fi network. For this, open the settings app and then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on the eye icon next to your Wi-Fi network. Scroll down. Here you can see the option of forget this network. Tap on it and then tap on forget again to confirm, and then again tap on your network under other networks. Re-enter your Wi-Fi password and to reconnect to the network, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. If you reset network settings on your iPhone, go to settings. Scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings, and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of App Store not working or blank, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.